Jembo and Zoggy Zoom, welcome to the stream. Lil Naka, welcome to the stream. Welcome up, chat. How are we all doing? We're doing something a bit different today. GamerGirl YT, welcome to the stream. Yes, revising today. And Victoria, welcome to the stream. Where's the dot? What do you mean, James Hitchens? But welcome to the stream. How are you all doing? I can live stream now. Fairs, respect. Respect, Lil Naka. Your handwriting better be good. Well, that's something I can't promise, to be honest. Well, anyways, let's just get started. ZZ, welcome to the stream. Let's just start. Let's just get... How do we start off? I remember. So let's start off by just... Oh. There you go. By drawing... Which is what would be the main, like... Cell, like when it comes to cells, these are the main part. Alfie, welcome to the stream. Yes, I kind of do, but welcome to the stream. How we all doing, chat? But yes, I kind of do. But anyways, just start labeling everything. So we've got this one right here. Oh, we're not done yet, so I got timed out for doing nothing. Well, that's just Timebot. That's just Nightbot being a melt anyway. Is this GCSE? I mean, yeah. Yeah. Alright, just give me a second, chat. I need to check if I haven't missed out on anything. Because I don't know if I have or I haven't. I just want to make sure I haven't. What's this? Oh, we're just, this is an animal cell, and we're going to be labeling everything that it contains inside. No, I have not missed out with I've not missed out on anything. Not missed out on anything. Now, before we start labeling, chat, what do you think this big ball of, what do you think this big ball is? What do you think this big ball is? I'll give you 10 seconds to lock in your answers. I don't revise. I don't really revise either, but then when it comes to when I have to, I kind of do these. Nucleus. So James is saying nucleus. Well, that's just 10 seconds, but that is correct. We label this as the nucleus. W. James, you smart boy. And now, before I let you guys know, what do you think the outside area is called? What do you think the outside area is called? So this is science. Yes, it's science, but in more detail, it's biology. What do you think the outside wall is? What do you think, what do you call it? The outside wall. What do you think the outside wall is? Cell membrane. Oh, James, you smart cookie. This is the cell membrane. There can't be a cell wall because that's plant cell. Oh yeah, you smart cookie, mate. Cell membrane. And now, what do you think the jelly substance that is inside, that acts inside of the animal cell? What do you think that is? Mind you gotta say your writing is mid. Well, don't worry, I can take that because I've heard a lot worse than mid. I've heard people tell me my handwriting is terrible. But chat, what do you think? What is inside here? Should I answer or not? If you want to. I don't think you lot know. I'll just label it. So what would be the white stuff, because it's white on my paper. It's maybe white on my paper, but I think it might be yellow. This right here is the cytoplasm. And when we finish labeling, we'll get to what they all function as. Cytoplasm, yes. Claminitas, you smart cookie. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? How are you doing today? Like I said, I only do physics. That's insufficient. Yeah, I think I put that in an exam mark like months ago, and I didn't get a mark for it. I was confused why, but like, oh well. And now, what would be the like mini nucleuses? These are the mitochondria. Mitochondria, right here, chat. The nucleus functions the cell. Make sure not to say it's the brain of the cell that's insufficient. Yep. Exactly that. Is there anything else I haven't answered yet? So it's nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria. We got one more, which are these little dots, which are called the ribosomes. Storm Unicorn, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you very much for 10 likes on the stream already, chat. But for now, let's get on to what each function or what each organelle inside of the animal cell do. So I'll start with the ribosomes. If you didn't know, they are the nutrients that are inside the cell. Excuse my handwriting as well, chat. I do apologize about that. These something might come back later. Okay, gamer girl, enjoy yourself. I'll see you then. And like ZZ said earlier, the nucleus, or actually I might have to calibrate on this. Just give me a second, chat. Well, chats, even though it is technically the brain of the cell, the actual function of the cell, I mean the nucleus is the repository of genetic information. Bob DTY, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Am I set 6? No, you know, don't worry about my set, okay? I'm quite smart. Don't worry about my set. I'm actually smart, bro. And as the cell's control center. Cell's control center. Okay. Hey, don't insult my intelligence, okay? Palmation, welcome to the stream. Yeah, Palmation, I wasn't talking about me. Yeah, Palmation, the entire thing is the cell. Just to let you know. Ad hi, welcome to the stream. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. How you doing? Is that hyper... What the hell is that, bro? Never heard of it. Now I've got to think. Oh, smart lies, he's dumb. Dude, the dog, that is actually the truth. James is just being a little meanie. But anyways, that might be true. But anyways, what do you think? Chats, what are you guys thinking the cytoplasm's function is? What is the cytoplasm's function? Friendly, stupid person. Ah, that's just mean. That's just not very nice now, isn't it? But chat, what are you thinking what the cytoplasm's function is? It protects organelles. Justin, welcome to the stream. And Esme, welcome to the stream. How are you guys doing? Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It protects organelles. It keeps it in shape and protects organelles. Thank you very much, Justin and James. I'll be using them. It keeps It keeps it in shape. And protects organelles. And protects organelles. I subbed just then. Alright, just give me a second. I'm gonna have a look. I'm gonna have a look at the subscriber count. Yes, Esme, thank you very much for the sub. Duly appreciate you. We're so close to 2.8k. I do not know anything about cells, to be honest. I may not be the smartest, but the only thing I do kind of have some knowledge about is cells. So, Palmation, we both might be opposites. But anyways, chat, what do you think the cell membrane does? Because I have no clue, because maybe I'm dumb. Give me a question, I'm smart. Okay, I'll give you a question, Penis Facts. Also, welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing good. My question is to you, what is the function of the cell membrane? What is the function of the cell membrane? I do not have a lot of space here, so please don't give me a long answer. Try and summarize. Protection. You're being quite vague, Palmation. It keeps the structure. It keeps the structure of the cell. I'll take it. Respect. No. Cytoplasm, it keeps it in shape. It keeps it in shape. Oh, hell nah, bro. Don't tell me I just got that wrong. Cell membrane function. I mean, it's a barrier, so it's more of like a barrier, to be honest. It acts. How about acts as a barrier around the cell? Don't know if you can just read that, chat, because I did kind of get it wrong, but it acts as a barrier around the cell. If you're wondering what I was saying, that is what it says. But anyways, is there anything else I haven't? Oh, mitochondria. Last but not least, the mitochondria. I think I'll put it here. What do you guys think the mitochondria's function is? Describe a stem cell. Messi, welcome to the stream. Or no, you're really like incorrect, because none of this you learn in year 4. None of this you learn in year 4. I don't know what you learn in year 4, but I don't think any of us did in year 4. None of us learned this stuff in year 4. Because this is GCSE stuff. Powerhouse of the cell. Thank you, Palmation. I'm just wanting to double check. I'm not being rude. I'm just saying. Mitochondria function. Generates most of the chemical energy chemical energy. Basic condition science. Yeah, I don't know what you learned in year 4, Messi, but I did not learn this stuff in year 4. Because if I did, I would not be doing it right now. Energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. All right, that is the animal cell. That is the animal cell. Oh, I do apologize. What I am going to do is kind of like flip the paper. So it's going to be quite weird. Yes, hello, Lil Naka. How are you doing? Anyways, let's start with a plant cell now. See if you can find anything different about it. What's 4 times 5? That is 20. It has another protection layer called the cell wall. That goat, welcome to the stream. Yes, you indeed are correct. But before I finish drawing the diagram of the plant cell, I need to just hook up with more. I just need to hook myself up with more supplies. And also, chat, thank you very much for 15 likes on the stream. You guys know what you're doing because you're all massive W's. Here. Got it. Anyways, we don't really need it for now, but for now, let's just start. What's 13 times 13? I do believe that is 169. But we are not doing mathematics right now, we are doing biology. Anyways, that is done. And then we'll add what I think you guys could recognize what this is. Nice. Yes, it's very nice Palmation. Skull face. Crazy. Study with me. Yo, I'm not, no offense, but I am not American, so I don't say study, I say revise. You might say study, though, and I don't have anything against it, to be honest. Pixlr, IceFN, welcome to the stream. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, how are you doing? How are you doing today? Alright, there you go, that's all done. And now we have to, you have to use green for these, because they are mostly green. You have to mark them in green. Alright, before, as Fredly is a goat. I am the goat. I respect you as well. Who said that? Actually, I forgot who said that. Yeah, Palmation. I knew it was Palmation. Palmation is a W, just like all of my viewers, because all of my viewers are massive Ws. Now, I need to check if I've missed anything out in the plant cell structure. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. I think that's correct. I cannot unsee it. Help. Victoria. Italy guy to put the fries in them. Exactly, Anna, we don't need to use those brain rot words. And yes, well, we have told him to change his name, except he can't right now, so yeah. But also, welcome to the stream. How you doing today? Anyways, chat, let's start labeling. What I will do, though, is just start labeling what we already know of. So that is the nucleus, mitochondria, let's start labeling. Let's start labeling. WBobDTY, welcome to the stream. That is the ribosomes. And that's also the cytoplasm. I'm good, how are you? I'm doing good, I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good as well. Anything else? Well, actually, before I need to recheck something. So this must be the cell membrane. I did it really close to ribosomes because the ones we already know of, we do not need to tell the function to. Nerd. Zoggy Zoom, welcome to the stream. I, in my opinion, I'm the opposite of a nerd because I'm quite stupid. I'm just telling you what I actually know in my little brain of mine. Revise, haha, has been 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes. Normally I'd be done. Normally I'd be done with revision by now, but no. Cell wall is needed. I mean, yes, chat, you are correct. This right here is the cell wall. Smart people. And for starters, what do you call this massive? What would be called this massive nucleus? Do not say anything about the meme though. What do you call this big nucleus today? What do you call this big looking nucleus right here? Oh yeah, chat. I'm gonna have to announce that this will be one of 3 Revise With Me streams today. I'm doing 3 revision streams today. All of them are gonna be an hour. That's called Zoggy Zoom, no swearing, boy. But anyways, I don't think anyone's got it, so I'm gonna call this the vacuum wall. And now, chat, so at least one person's gonna have to get this. I'll be surprised if you don't. Look up. Yeah, I see my ceiling, buddy. I do see my ceiling. But what do you call the green? What is the green one? What is the green looking mitochondria? For swearing. Getting punished. Punish. Mission no need. It was for 10 seconds. It's alright. It's alright. But chat, what is the green? What is the one in green? Ranjan Sahu, welcome to the stream. How you doing today? Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Yes, you are correct. It is the chloroplast. Smart person. Freddy swears all the time. No, I don't. Chloroplast. And now, let's move on to the functions. We'll start off with the cell wall. What is the function of the cell wall, chat? What's the function of the cell wall, chat, if anyone can tell me? Can anyone tell me what the function of the cell wall is? Protection. Sahu, yes. I mean, yes, you are not wrong. You are not wrong at all. You're not wrong. But I'm going to have to look up a scientific definition because I don't actually know as well. But I'm not saying you're wrong because you're not, Sahu. Yes, it is true, but this, a better, what I feel like will actually get marks is it provides structural strength and support. Structure and support. Yes, that is more of a detailed answer, Victoria. Well done to you. And now, chat, what do you think the chloroplast function is? Same thing, right? I mean, yes, but like, I don't know, to be honest. I don't really know. I don't really know. I just feel like just saying protection won't get while getting like, you know. No, whatever. Only Swallow, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Yes, I am doing that. Photosynthesis. Yes, it does have a big role in photosynthesis. But what we can call the structure is produces energy through Photosynthesis. Let's go, chat. Anything else? Vacuole. What does the vacuole? What is the vacuole's function, chat? Oh, I just dropped my pen. When you hit the hour mark, I'm going to revise my hour outfit. Yep, sure thing. Just text me. Carbon dioxide and water equals glucose and oxygen. Isn't that the other way around for photosynthesis? You know what? I'll just look it up. But I don't think anybody actually knows what's the vacuole's function. So the vacuole's function is to helps sequester waste products. Yes, Sahu, you are very smart. You might be smarter than me. I respect you. Respect the Sahu. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already as well, chat. Become massive W's. You know when you said revise, I do too. Cool kid, welcome to the stream. Long time no see. It's been a while. I'm the smartest here. Whoa, that's a big claim. That's a massive claim. But now we are finished with both the cells. And we've finished labeling the organelles and their functions. And so, blank page is another blank page. Now, anything else I can study? Do you know what? I knew someone was going to say that. Because you lot are brain rotted. You lot have been brain rotted. Low. Oh yes, chat. Also, thank you so much for the second sub. Really appreciate you. We're so close to 2.8k already. Just 6 more subs. 6 more subs until 2.8k. Could become massive W's, chat. Let's go. Study maths. Well, no, I can't. I don't need to study maths because I've already done my math stuff. I think I did pretty good in it. But for now, I've got science stuff coming up, so I have to do some biology revision. And I'll also be doing chemistry and physics later on today. As in chemistry, yes, I'm going to be learning about the periodic table of elements. And I need to remember, what can I do? What's next? That's what I'm thinking about, Sahu. I can't remember. The process of diffusion. What I need to study about is the process of diffusion. And no, we're not doing geography, Palmation. So, I guess you could say how we can describe it is... I did Google it, James. Yes, I did Google it. I'll do it here. Maybe being the boom. Oh, God, no. Not the boom. Diffusion is the movement of molecules. Alright, Lil Naka, enjoy yourself. I'll see you soon if you come back. But if not, enjoy your day. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Molecules from a region of higher concentration to another region of lower. Boy, welcome to the stream. I do hope I pass my exams, because if I don't, then I'm cooked. Which is why I'm doing revision streams. Down. Bro, so many concentrations in the definition of diffusion. Concentration down the concentration gradient. That is what you call the process of diffusion. Bokoblin Boy, so basically I'm going to just stream it. Also, I think that Zelda will be better in full screen. Yes, it definitely would, Bokoblin Boy. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing good. Yeah, I only stream on YouTube Shorts because, well, I don't have a PC. And so I can't stream on the big screen. Unfortunately. For now. When I get a PC one day, I'm gonna. 100%. Quickly, what I need to... So we've got the process of diffusion right here, chat. Now, all I need to think about is... what other... Like, there are a couple equations that we need to talk about in the stream as well. I just need them to pop up quickly. W. James Hitchens, I do agree. And thank you very much for 20 likes on the stream, chat. You lot are all massive W's. Always liking up the stream because you guys know what to do. Massive W's, chat. Alright, we are now going to talk about the equations for photosynthesis and aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. James, I'm on 2795 subs, so 5 more subs away from 2.8k. So if you haven't already, chat, hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 2.8k. Will you watch my stream, Fredly, as I'll teach you how to play better? I will try my best, you see? I will try my best, but then, you see, where was I going to say? I have to do 3 streams today for revision. It just depends on what time. I'll see if I can tune in. I might be able to tune in for a little bit. Word equation. Alright, now what we have to talk about here now, chat, is the word equation for photosynthesis. Again, excuse my handwriting. I know it's quite mid. My sister is cooked in biology. That doesn't sound good, doesn't it? So the word equation for photosynthesis is indeed, carbon dioxide add water creates, not equals, because it doesn't equal glucose and oxygen, but it creates or makes glucose and oxygen. And oxygen gas, why not add that? And then, if you didn't know, the word equation for, a matter of fact, for aerobic respiration, I just want to grow my channel organically. And I respect that, Bokoblin Boy. I do respect that. I'll make sure to tune into your stream for a little bit. For as long as I can. So, if you didn't know, for the word equation for aerobic respiration, it is just the word equation for photosynthesis, but the opposite. So, what I'm talking about, it is glucose and oxygen creates, again, not equals, carbon dioxide, and water. It's easy to remember. And now, I'm 26, so I don't go to school. Fair enough. I got mostly A's and B's. Oh, you smart boy. You smart boy. And now, what we need to... So we got the equations for photosynthesis and aerobic respiration, which should be really easy to remember. You just need to remember which one's which. So you just got to remember that in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water comes first. And then that would mean for aerobic respiration, glucose and oxygen will come first. How old are you? I prefer not to say my real age on stream, so I just don't say an age at all. What I do say, though, is whatever age you think I am, I'll let you think it. £76,000 yearly. Oh, fairs, bro. And now we are going to have to describe the adaptations of a leaf. Well, I now have the 14. Well, if you think I'm 14, then, well, I'll let you think I'm 14. I'm not actually going to say that. What's your favourite subject? I don't have one because I don't really like school. School just doesn't bother me that much. But when it comes to revision, I can do revise with me streams that do pretty well and extra watch hours, so I can respect it. And now, what we have to do now is describe the adaptations of a leaf. So, the basic thing you can say is a leaf usually has a large surface area. A large surface area so that it can absorb of light. So it can absorb as much light as possible. Let's go, chat. We're going to underline that so we can always come back to it for the adaptation of a leaf. Anything else? Let's just have a quick look at the sub count. It's 2795. We gotta hit 2.8k by the end of today, chat. We are 3, 2, 1. We're at the 40-minute mark. So I've been revising for 40 minutes. Now, what can we think about now? So we are doing currently biology. So we've done a lot of we've done cells, photosynthesis, and respiration, and some stuff that has some stuff that has some stuff to do with you know, inappropriate stuff that I can't really say on YouTube. Phil England, welcome to the stream. That is kind of what I'm doing. I'm doing three Revise With Me streams today. They're all going to be like an hour each. Do adaptations of a leaf. Well, I have already done that. So you see, I will repeat it. A leaf usually has a large surface of a large surface area. Bro. A leaf usually has a large surface area so that it can absorb as much light as possible. Do how to increase magnification on a microscope. Deal. We're gonna have to get some. Okay, there you go, new page. Because I can't fit as much stuff on the screen. Toilet, welcome to the stream. I'm actually looking to release a video today. So you can stay tuned for that. What is it? Well, you're just gonna have to find out and watch the video when it comes out, eh? What is it? How to increase magnification and resolution. Now, let's talk about how how to increase magnification and resolution using the microscope. Yes, I'll start from here. I'm just gonna say around here. Actually here. Yeah. One way of increasing the optical resolving power of the microscope. Just quickly write that down. Is to use immersion liquids between. Do you have a test? Sahu, yes. Unfortunately, I kind of do in a couple days, so I'm going to be doing a couple revision streams for them. Objective and the cover slip. And that is how to increase magnification and resolution using a microscope. If you go to the one I'm going to. Well, I'm sure I will. And now me have to think. What's the syllabus? Slempty, welcome to the stream. Well, we just know what we're doing now, don't we? We just know what we're doing, and so to hope we pass exams, because I'd be cooked if I didn't revise. Oh yeah, keep in mind, chat, yes, speaking of physics, yes, I will be doing another one of these revision streams, but next up will be chemistry and then physics. Anything else I can revise? Because what I have done currently is photosynthesis and respiration, a lot of stuff about cells. Reproduction, I can't really do that because I'd get banned. By myself. I respect it, Slenty. Respect. Respect the Slenty. Cell division. Cell division? So we can describe adaptations of specialized animal cells, sperm, egg, and red blood cells, and plant cells, root hair, parasite, gold cells. Oh, that's something I can do. Compare aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now, let's cook up something, chat. Let me cook. Aerobic respiration occurs with oxygen and releases more energy but slowly. And then, well, anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen and releases less energy but more quickly. And you see, that's right there is what is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. If you want me to repeat it again, aerobic respiration occurs with oxygen and releases more energy but slowly. Anaerobic respiration occurs without oxygen and releases less energy but more quickly. That is the difference. I know, what would be really important is this. Let's state, how about we state the test for starch? My revision by Fredley. Oh, for empty. So the test for starch would be a chemical test for starch is to add an iodine solution would be yellow or brown. Alfie, welcome back to the stream. Oh yeah, Alfie, we good? We chill? Are we chill after what happened yesterday? Just to wonder, because all I'm wondering is that if I've been forgived. That's not me being desperate. I just want to make sure. Yes, okay. I appreciate you, Alfie. I appreciate you. Appreciate you, Alfie. Respect you. W Alfie. I was just yeah, I get that. It's just like I thought I thought I was just gonna be out like all day. Like I didn't like that, but it's just there was just nothing I could do. But then I managed to actually sneak in some time for stream. And well, which is why I'm actually doing 3 streams today. I'm doing 3 revision streams today. So you can tune in for them if you'd like to. Three. All of them, but all of them will be like an hour. Because I've got to do at least 1 hour revision on biology, which is what I'm doing right now, chemistry, then physics. So all of them will be on camera. All of them will be on stream, so you can tune into them. Makes you. I knew it would make you happy as well. Is there anything else at this point now? Growth, development. Yes, Alfie, Master W. Anything I can do? Chat, give me a topic to revise. That has something to do with biology. Don't give me a whole different subject. Reproduction, growth, and development, and inheritance. Alright, let's look at... Alright, let's... You know, I just don't want to waste paper. So I might as well... I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. I need to think. I'm just gonna have to whip out a new piece of paper then, won't I? Let's have a look at the menstrual cycle then. Please don't tell me it's anything inappropriate. Sahu classification. Like I've got a clue on that, on what that is. I'm confused. Ecosystem and adaptation. Well, if anything, one minor thing that I can just add into our notes around up here, we can add in, let's add in resources that plants and animals compete for. How long left? 5 more minutes. Compete for is or I should say are food, sunlight, water, and I guess you could say mates and mates. I don't mean mates by friends. If you know, you know. Only those who know what I'm talking about. And now let's talk about inheritance. Now we can say so low. Okay, let me just talk about a little bit of inheritance and then yes. The difference between inherited and environmental between inherited and environmental variation is inherited refers to the genetic to the genetic determination when you stream again when I message you. Well, if I'm having my lunch or doing anything else, then I'll try and do it as quickly as possible. But yes. Of traits, let's say example, eyes. Environmental is yeah, I'm copying off of Google. I don't know if I should have said that though. But it's fine. Palmation, welcome back to the stream. Environmental factors refers to influences found where people live. For example, accent. I'll say, for example, your accent. So, example, accent. Who wants food? I'm quite full actually. But Gamer Girl asked me what have I written so far. So that was about like a little bit of evolution and inheritance. This right here is me labeling the animals here. This is the animal cell. And here is its plant cell. I'll give you a little time to read that. Pause the stream if you have to. Yeah, I'm not hungry either, to be honest. So here would be about diffusion, photosynthesis, and aerobic respiration, and the adaptations of a leaf. If you have to pause the stream, then go ahead. Over here is about increasing the magnification and the resolution of a microscope, and the difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, and over here is about the test for starch. Again, I'll give you some time to pause it if you can. Moving on. Last but definitely not least is this is all about resources that animals and plants fight for. For example, and all of them are food, sunlight, water, and mates. Like I said earlier, what I mean, if I don't mean mates by friends, I mean if only those who know actually know what I'm talking about. And then from here is the difference between inherited and environmental variation, where inherited refers to the genetic determination of traits. Example, eyes. Like if you have brown eyes, that most likely means at least one of your parents had brown eyes. If not, then I don't know. Environmental factors refers to influences found where people live. Example, accent. Like I may have a British accent because I'm from the UK. I may sound like I'm British because I am British. But anyways, that is everything covered for today's biology revision stream. Later today will be either chemistry or physics, but if you want to tune in till then. But if you enjoyed this stream, and if you want to see more, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. Nonetheless, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.